everyone, my name is Mahira Gajja from grade 4A Mayu Private School. I made a learning kit about human body system. I'm thrilled to introduce our science learning kit focused on one of the most fascinating topics, the human body system. Our bodies are like complex machines made up of different systems. Like the circulatory system moves blood, like the respiratory system helps us breathe, digestive system that turns food into energy. This kit is designed to help you explore how these all systems work together to keep us alive and healthy. Hands-on activities, models, and fun experiments. You won't be just reading about the human body, you will be seeing it, building it, and be understanding it in a whole new way. Learning science should be exciting, and this kit makes sure it is. So let's get started and discover the amazing machine called the human body. In this learning kit, first you will see one booklet. Second, you will see some flashcard with information. Third, you will see some stickers for fun. And fourth, you will see some big charts with all different kinds of human body systems. The different kinds of human body systems are skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, and nervous system. First, introduction. Human body systems. Your body is made up of a group of systems that all work together. Each system has a job that helps keep your body healthy and working well. Skeletal system. The skeletal system supports and moves the body while protecting some of the organs. Muscular system. The muscular system controls all movement in the body. Digestive system. The digestive system changes food into a form that can be used in the body. Respiratory system. The respiratory system brings in oxygen for the body to use and takes away carbon dioxide. Circulatory system. The circulatory system carries materials like food and oxygen to the cells in the body. Nervous system. The nervous system receives and carries messages to control the body. Thank you and happy learning.